We're going to clean the filter for this Whirlpool Duet washer machine, and as you can see, we're gonna be cleaning all their stuff too. This machine has been sitting around for a while. Last time it was used, it wouldn't drain, and also it would not do the final spin. And we have read that these issues could be the result of a dirty filter. So to work on it a little more comfortably, we have put the washer on top of a table, as you can see. So you remove those 3 screws on the back of the top panel, slide it out, and then you need to remove this back panel in order to access the filter. You're gonna see in a few seconds here. Other models have easier access to the filter in the front of the unit without having to remove any panels, but this particular one has this design. Just if you don't remove the top screw, you just need to slide it a little bit and remove that panel. And right on the bottom, facing to the side, as you can see, is a plug that needs to be unscrewed. Just place a little tray or whatever that fits under and turn it counterclockwise, and you should be able to do it by hand. This filter, I don't believe it has ever been cleaned, but I hear that some of them come out really bad. This one had a couple toothpicks and a hair clip and a lot of dirt and sand, and we took a look inside the compartment, the housing where the filter is, and we noticed a lot of dirt, mainly because of soap and all, and a mixture of scum and dirt and other materials. Just you can grab a piece of cloth and clean it out. Don't use any sandpaper or any chemicals. You can just wipe it out really good, and that should do it. In this case, and you're gonna be seeing it in a couple of in about a minute, we try to rinse the system out by basically throwing some water inside the washer, the drum, right, and water comes out the other end. And we did it a couple of times until it came out clean. And by the other end, I mean this lower part, this housing. And lucky for us, we found a tray that fit perfectly under the filter housing. And this is what I was talking about. You could do this, a couple of times until the water comes out really clean. And to make sure you got all of that dirt out. Like I said, this machine had not been used in quite a while. And when you put the filter back, it goes in only one position, so there's no way you're gonna put it in wrong. Just play with it a little bit until it slides in. You tie it by hand, and don't be afraid of over tightening it, because it does have a stop. So you tie it until you cannot tie it anymore, and that should be good. Place the panel back, and the back panel first, and then the top panel, as you can see on this video. Then put all the screws back, and We also cleaned it a little bit, you know, the outside, and the rubber sealed had a little bit of mold. Soapy water, perhaps with a little bit of chlorine, could do the job. If the stain is really bad, you might need to clean it, you know, several times. We put it on a quick wash just to see if it was working fine. Water is flowing through it as it should. You know, it's properly connected. You see, we put it on a quick wash. Now there's only 8 minutes left. We're doing the final spin. It's still in the final spin. We only put a little bit of dirty laundry in it just to see if it worked, and it drained okay. And there was no soap, and all the water was out. And in this case, it actually worked really well. So we could say that the machine is now working as it should. And we hope you like our video.